Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Neha and welcome to another video. Really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my 2025 obsession. Basically the products from skincare, hair care, bath and body, makeup and few random things which I have been using on loop and I'm currently loving it. So before we move ahead with this video, let's just make it a two-way conversation in the comment section below where I will be telling you my favorite obsessions of 2025 in this video. You can let me know yours in the comment section below. Having said that, let's just get into the video. So we can start off with the category of bath and body. I don't have much, but a few products that I would like to show you guys, which I am currently obsessed with and also a few recommendations. The first product is going to be a body wash from the brand called the Body Wise. This one is the 1% salicylic acid body wash. Now, this one is not my product that I have purchased. ये actually गौरी का है. वो काफी सालों से, I think it's been more than a year or two that she has been using this particular body wash. I randomly reached out to this product, and ever since then, this has been like my top most used bath and body product. Product is really effective in treating body acne, body scar, and if you have strawberry skin. Also, if you're somebody like me who has a dry skin, and as we have already entered the winter season, my skin is on a toss. But I have been still using this product. This actually nourishes my skin and it never makes my skin feel stripping. So this one is a product that you can definitely try at the time of winters as well. Speaking of body wash, I have another recommendation in shower gel, which is from the Body Shop. I'm using the British Rose version of it. Honestly, this will not be something that I would go and pick up in a store because rose is not my fragrance, or I don't think so I've used anything in rose before, like a fragrance or a body wash, because ये मेरा fragrance है ही नहीं. In fact, मैंने कभी ये fragrance use भी नहीं किया होगा. I used to always feel that floral is just not my type, but this product actually changed my vision onto this. I don't know if I'll be okay with the same fragrance from the other brands, but this one made me feel good in a way that I can actually use it. I don't hate this product so much जितना मैंने मेरे mind में सोचा था, but I definitely use this when I am having a late night shower or before stepping into the bed. And my sleep cycle is not that great, so this one helps me sleep peacefully ever since I've started using it. With this product, I had also received the body butter, again, the British Rose. If we pair both of these things together, you will smell so good. You are somebody like me who thinks that floral is just not your type. You can just start off taking this or a smaller version of this body butter or the body wash because they both of them smell the same and definitely काफी time तक ये चलेगा. ज़्यादा use करने की भी ज़रूरत पड़ती नहीं है because it's a body butter. It literally feels like butter on your skin. Winters में this has done wonders. The body wash and this, if we pair it together, it makes it even more good. Next up in the same category, I have a body oil which I want to recommend and which I'm obsessed about. This one is the body oil by Plum in the range of vanilla vibes. Again, another product which I never thought that I would like in terms of fragrance, क्योंकि vanilla again मुझे लगता था मेरी type की नहीं है. This also I have received in a gift. It came with a body wash, a body oil, and a body mist. मेरी mist हो चुकी है. And that was also one of the things I wanted to recommend you guys, but वो मेरी product ही खो चुकी है. I was on a trip, I took it, and it's gone. But coming back to this product, this has surprisingly been so good, and it gives you such an amazing shine on your body. अगर आप शादी में जा रहे हो या किसी event में जा रहे हो, and you want your body to shine a little bit, if you're wearing like a off shoulder or a thigh high slit, you can just use this product. It doesn't have shimmer particles to it, but as it's a oil, it will make your body look like a little bit greasy, but not make you feel greasy. And your body is shining in a way that it would look like you have done like a body polish. Coming up to the next, and I think the last product for this category, this is like a super random purchase I have done through Blinkit. This is a body scrub by Dr. Rochelle. It's available on Amazon and Blinkit, and I think आपके nearest drugstore से भी मिल जाएगा ये product. I was in a rush and I really wanted to have like a body scrub because I recently had a problem with my skin and my skin was literally peeling off. So I thought of I need a scrub so that I can just get rid of that dead skin. And this one came into rescue. Surprisingly बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा product निकला ये. I've used this product quite a lot. I mean, I have been using this product weekly, every alternate week, actually, Sundays to Sundays, I've been using this. Particles of it is not too hard and not too, tiny so that it actually feels कि आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो. Not even burn my skin or I felt like, it is something that is harmful for my skin. That time I used this product and luckily this did not harm my skin and it actually helped my skin to heal. Oh, not the last, but I think this one would be the last product. This is the Bioderma's moisturizing cream. So this is, I think, a very versatile cream that you can use not only on your body but on your face as well. Currently, I am using this in my night routine because again, winters में मेरी skin बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry होती है. So I have been using this on my body as well as on my face as well. I think we are done with the bath and body. Moving on to the hair care. I wish I had got this product before. This is the hair mask from Nexus. This is a brand which has recently got launched in India. I would really recommend you guys to go ahead and try this product because you actually do not need to go to the salon, sit for an hour, get your hair spa done. I think this product you can get it home and try the spa at home. It will give you a salon like finish, guys. Trust me. Start using this product, you will see a difference in your hair. Before I move on to the next product, I just hope that the lighting is not changed too much because sunset ho chuka hai. I've currently put on my artificial light. So bear with me on that. Next up, we have a hair serum by the same brand called Nexus. Apart from the mask, this product is the other product which I pair it with. Also, I use it after every shower. This is like a all-in-one product. This can be used like a hair oil before you go to your shower. This can be used as your, hair serum, of course. This can also be used as a protector too. So I got this products in a set of three, जिसमें hair oil, like the hair serum, the hair mask, and also there was a shampoo that came with it. I am not a fan of shampoo. That's why I don't have that shampoo in this video today because मैंने उसे काफी यूज कर लिया. आई थिंक उसके अभी 2 या 3 बारी यूज करके वो खत्म हो जाएगा. इतना सा ही बचा है. Think it slightly started giving me dandruff. So I just stopped that product. Not only me, but the same thing happened with my sister. She used it also for quite a few times and she also got dandruff. That product I'm not so much in love with. But these two are definitely a must try product. If you don't have that budget and if you think this one is not the hair mask that you want to try, then I would suggest you to go with this hair mask, this is the Barina Treatment Hair Spa. Again, texture wise, both of them are quite thick. मैंने इसे एक बार use किया है ever since I got this. This was recommended by my hair stylist that he just told me try this one because आपका hair बहुत ज़्यादा ही damage हो गया है. I told him that I'm using this one, so he recommended me this one, which I did try. And surprisingly, this one also standard out really well. So yeah, in case you don't want to go ahead with this hair mask, if you do not have that budget, if you are looking for a cheaper alternative, you can definitely try this product. Last but not the least, from this category, I have a very cute chotu sa bamboo brush that I would recommend you guys because I did some research and it says that bamboo brushes actually help in blood circulation, and due to blood circulation your hair grows faster. It will help you with thick hair and you will see the difference once you start using it. I feel मुझे काफी ज्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ ये ब्रश को लेके. It's been like a 2 months or 1 month approx, something like that. If I have to recommend you and if it does make any difference, I will tell you guys. But as of now, I'm really obsessed with this product. So you can try it out too. Moving on to the next category, which is going to be skincare. I don't have much products under skincare, but I want to recommend you these two products. The first one is the Purple Mask by Foxtel, another viral product, and I did give it a shot. As it's a mask, it will hydrate your skin, it will give you a brighter skin in 10 minutes. All that is true. But ये एक दो के तीन दिन बाद it would not be the same. Like yeah, I have not hated this product so much, but I have definitely liked it कि आप इसको एक बार ही तो use कर सकते हो. Next up, we have a water-based moisturizer from Neutrogena. If you haven't used a water-based moisturizer ever in your life before, I would just tell you to go ahead and try this product because a regular moisturizer and a water-based moisturizer, both of them gives you like a really different effect. And under a heavy makeup, a water-based moisturizer works like it just works so good. Like a little bit expensive side. If you are looking for a cheaper alternative, I have two more options. There is a local tube which is Emoline, which I have used a lot, जिसको मैंने recommend भी किया है मेरे current shots में. It is priced for somewhere around 330 or 380. So you can try that product as well. Suitable for all skin type. There is no such problem with it. Another product is PSE Packs water-based moisturizer. It is called Aqua Blast, if I'm not wrong, and it is priced for somewhere 800 900 rupees. Also, another water-based moisturizer, बहुत ही dewy finish देगा. Makeup will sit on your skin and it will not move. So you can definitely try a water-based moisturizer. As we are on the topic of skincare, this is a gua sha which I got from H&M. This is actually a steel based gua sha. ये वाला काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है as compared to the other ones. I recently saw Kendall Jenner's gua sha routine and she was using something like this, which I found in H&M, so I did give it a try. I have been using this for a month now, and does this give any difference to your face? Yes, it does. I had gained a lot of face fat, and ever since I've been using this, I think my face has taken a good shape. So you can definitely try this product as well. Moving on to the next category, that is fragrance. I have two perfumes that I want to recommend, or the two perfumes which I'm obsessed with, which I'm using on a day-to-day basis, is the H&M's perfume. This is the Pearl Dream perfume. Again, a floral perfume, which I never thought I would like. But the time when I tested it, I fell in love with it. It is so good. I mean, it is easy to travel with. The packaging is also really cute and small, goes and fits in your bag. And I think you should definitely try this. अगर आप H&M में हो, then just go ahead and just test this perfume. If you like it, then go ahead with this perfume. It's a really good purchase, I believe. Next up is a perfume by Body Shop. Again, from the gift that I had received with the body wash and the body butter. The Wild Jasmine fragrance, a floral perfume, which I thought मैं कभी नहीं इस्तेमाल कर पाऊंगी, which I would never like. But this is a body mist and it actually feels refreshing. I mean, it's so good. Again, a perfume which I pair with the body butter before I go to bed. I think we are done with the skincare. Let's move on to the last category, that is going to be makeup. Starting with the L'Oreal's Infallible Skin Tint, another product which went super viral. And I thought that it's just an overhyped product until I tried it myself. I'm in the shade 4-5 medium, and I must say that the shade match is insane, you guys. आप अगर मेरे स्किन शेड के आसपास के हो, you can try this product, or you can just simply go and take a tester and just check which one suits you the best. Tip: when you are looking for your shade from a store, do not take the tester on your hand and see, because हमारे हाथों का ये वाला पार्ट का रंग अलग होता है and the face skin color is different. So always take the tester a little amount and try to use it over here and then see if it matches your skin or not. Moving on to mascaras. I have two mascaras that I want to recommend. The first one is going to be from Ferrero. Mascara has been in my mom's vanity. I told her to get me one, so she got one pair for me. And this product is so fun to use because इसके दो wand है, small wand है इसकी, जिससे आप अपनी lower lash पे भी अपना product use कर सकते हो. And then you go with the big wand and just do a second layer of mascara on top of your first layer, and it will lengthen and give you the most amazing volume. And the best part of it is that it will last really long. The second is a product from Zudio. Actually works so good. इसका भी want काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है and it will actually give you a really good volume. इसका ये वाला जो पैकेजिंग है, this is not available in few stores, so I tried the new one as well. दोनों का formula same है. This one makes it really easy to squeeze in and remove the whole product out. But if this is not available, you can definitely try their new packaging because the formula is the same. Wand भी काफी अच्छा है and it will give you the most amazing eyeliner. Not waterproof, but daily use के लिए ये product बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Next product is going to be by an Indian brand called Forever 52. This is a cream-based foundation. I mean, this foundation is so good. मैंने अभी यही foundation use किया है. And under my eyes as well, this foundation works as a foundation and as a concealer too. This is not a water-based foundation या फिर liquid foundation नहीं है ये. It's a cream foundation. It will last really, really long. Last product for this video is going to be a gel blush from the Prosh Beauty. As you can see, I've already used a lot because I'm remaining with only this much and I'm going to definitely restock it. Apart from the other gel blushes that were launched, this one is really good in terms of pigment क्योंकि ये sits on your skin really well as it's a gel base. It doesn't move at all. You can use this product underneath and then just, have a powder blush on. Powder blush is gone. The tint of this one will be there. So you do not need to worry or do a retouch up. I'm in love with its packaging as well. It's so tiny and it's so cute. And with this, we have come towards the end of this video. हमारा sunset हो चुका है, सारी light चली गई है, पूरी video की light हिल गई है. But if you have made it so far, thank you so much for bearing with me. As we are marching towards 2026, I think this might be my last video for 2025. So, a happy, happy, happy new year to each one of you, and let's have a great year ahead. Really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below because there are many of you guys who haven't subscribed to my channel yet. So, please go ahead and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, meet you in the next one in the next year. Have a great day and a great year ahead.